Welcome to our full guide on Telnyx Level 2 verification. Today, we'll explore its purpose and importance for your business. Let's begin with an overview of the Level 2 verification process. Here's what you can expect as you navigate through this essential steps. Next, we'll cover the documentation required for Level 2 verification. Follow this step-by-step guide to ensure you're prepared. Before you can verify, it's crucial to set up your Telnyx account correctly. Let's dive into the pre-verification checklist. While verifying, you may encounter common challenges. Here's how to overcome them to ensure a smooth verification process. You might be wondering how long the Level 2 verification takes. Let's discuss the typical timeline you can expect. Congratulations on completing the verification. Now let's explore what happens next and how to leverage your new status. To ensure a smooth verification experience, here are some best practices you should follow. We know you might have some questions. Let's answer the most frequently asked questions about Telnyx Level 2 verification. In conclusion, completing Level 2 verification opens many doors for your business. Let's recap the benefits you can gain.